Hi there. So in this video, we're going to be drawing this shape you see here. You can start by selecting the rectangle tool from your tool palette. And if you're not sure where to find a tool, just hit the F key on your keyboard to bring up the search bar. Type in the tool name and select it. Once the rectangle tool is selected, look to the top left of your screen. You'll see several tool modes for how to use a selected tool. And in Vectorworks, hovering over a tool provides a description of its function. Now choose a mode that suits your drawing style, then click and drag to draw a shape. You can adjust the shape by selecting the object and clicking and dragging one of the corners directly, or you can make precise edits in the object info palette on the right. So for example, I can change the width to 10 feet or simply revert it back to 6 feet. Now before we move on, it's worth mentioning the Resource Manager. You can access it by navigating to Window, Palette, and selecting Resource Manager. It's great for managing resources like your symbols, textures, and so on within your design project. So if you're working on a project that uses common elements, the Resource Manager can really speed things up for you. Now let's draw another shape using the Circle tool. Again, I'll use the F key to search and select it. To draw the circle, click once to set the first point, then drag outward and type in a dimension. So let's say 2 feet, for example, and press enter twice to confirm. To make copies of this circle, make sure the circle is selected, then hold down the Option key while dragging the circle if you're on a Mac, and on the Windows, use the Control key instead. Just click and drag to create duplicates. To select all your shapes, navigate to the Selection tool, then click and drag to select all 5 shapes. Go to the Modify menu and choose Add Surface. This will merge them into a single polygon to give us our shape. I strongly recommend taking time to explore other options in the Modify menu like Clip Surface and Insert Surface, because these are really powerful tools for 2D drafting. To adjust the line weight or color, select your object and head over to the Attributes palette. Here you can change the pen thickness, the pen color, the fill color, and you can even set the opacity. And if you make any mistake, just use Command Z on the Mac or Ctrl Z on Windows to undo your command. And just like that, you've created your first design in Vectorworks. Pretty simple, right? If you have any questions or if you missed any steps, please feel free to book a one-on-one demo with a solution specialist or check out the Vectorworks University and our onboarding content for detailed tutorials.